Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make banana muffins. So let's see what you need for this.
Let's get started. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Coat muffin pans with non-stick spray or paper liners. Then combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Keep aside. Now in a large bowl, mash the bananas. Then add sugar, melted butter and egg. Then transfer the dry ingredients into wet ingredients. Whisk well until smooth. Fill muffin cups with batter. Bake in preheated oven for around 10 to 15 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. Remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool completely.
Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.